everyone, it's Jen, and here's Melly. She just decided to come up. Thank you for coming by my channel today. Today I wanted to share with you how my blind date with the book turned out. I actually made two of them. The first one I made, I just took a picture of because I had to send it out as soon as I made it. It's my twin sister. Our birthday is coming up soon, so I wanted to get that off. So that one was the Pumpkin Spice Cafe, I think it was, and it was in this series of books by Laurie Gilmore. I'd shown these in a haul. This one, the Gingerbread Bakery, obviously. The one I'm going to show you today, I made for my daughter, and it's called the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. So I made it into a cinnamon kind of fall theme, and I wanted to thank my friend Deb, who is Helen's Kid One, I believe, here on Instagram. She made me one, and I will link the video where I show you the one that she made, and I just loved it. And I did follow Lyric Lover Crafts tutorial on how to put one together, and I will link that down below as well. And I also used some of Deb's tips. So let me show you the one that I made. This is how it came out, and it's, like I said, it's the same size, same series as this book, which I think is just like the perfect for, putting your folds in. You're able to decorate your book, and it's a really good size, I thought. So, well, let me measure it just to let you know. It's like one of those trade paperback books. So this one is 7 3/4 by 5 inches, just to give you an idea. So to make this, I used the thin craft paper that came in a roll. I got it, it's the Jot brand, but I got it at Ollie's. Jot is a Dollar Tree brand, so I'm not sure if they still have it there, but like Deb recommended, you want to use like thin craft paper if you use craft paper for this project. So it worked out well. The folds came out great, I thought. And as you can see, there are like a couple of pockets here. It's all explained in Lyric Lovers tutorial. So let me show you everything that's in here. As you can see, I did some stamping, and I used my Diana Markham stamps. I used to be on the design team for her and Adorn It, so I took out some of my autumn kind of stamps. And let me get a piece of paper so you could see. These were some of the ones that I used. Laughter is brightest, where food is best. And I'm not sure if they're still on the Adorn It website, but you could go ahead and look at their Diana Markham stamps to check it out. I used this one here, the pumpkin candle, and I used like pumpkins and acorns and stuff all around as well. Just put that back. Okay, so I did that all around, and I stamped it after I put it all together so I would know the placement. And then I got this bookmark from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's like a seasonal one, and I can't really take it out, but it's made out of felt, and it fits onto like the corner of your book to mark your spot. And I thought it was just so pretty, and I thought it would look really nice in this package. I think it was only like $4 or $5, something like that. So I picked that up, and then I tied some thin twine around it, and I tucked in a cinnamon stick just to go back to the cinnamon theme. And I get my cinnamon sticks in the Indian section of my supermarket. They come in a big bag like this. It's 7 ounces. I've actually had this for several years, and it's much cheaper than buying them in the baking aisle. So just a tip, if you ever want cinnamon sticks, it's just cinnamon. So yeah, that works out well. And then I made a tag with the die that I had in my stash for a long time. I got on Ally a while ago, and I used, I think I used this paper. Did I use this paper? Actually, I didn't use that paper. I just remembered it doesn't look right. And yeah, it's just definitely a darker paper, but I used Vintage Photo Distress Oxide all the way around it to give it some aging. And I wrote Blind Date with the Book with a little heart, and you just kind of give some clues as to what is inside. Fall Romance, Cinnamon Spice, and Cozy Read. And I used a little sticker there. Those are from Dollar Tree that I picked up a while ago. They've been in my fall bin for a while. So I like these. They look kind of like stained glass. And I used one of those on this. Well, let me take these out and show you. I had gotten these pens from, I think it was like Marshall's a while ago, and this says she's leaving her mark, so I thought that'd be good for my daughter. And here is, I put a little gingerbread tea bag from Wegmans in this little glassine bag, and I used another one of those Dollar Tree stickers just to dress that up a little bit. And here I added a chocolate bar from Aldi, which Deb had also put into my packet. So it's always good to have some snacks when you're reading. So you can have chocolate bar. My daughter can have a chocolate bar and a cup of tea, and she's got a pen to make notes. A notepad would be really nice to put in here, but I just didn't have enough room, and I'm just going to leave it like this. So yeah, you could, tuck all sorts of things in these little folds. I'll make it look better once I'm done. But I did want to show you the completed look, and I tied the twine around it twice. And yeah, I think it came out really nice. And I think Lyric Lover Crafts, she sells them at her craft fair for like 2 for $20 or $12 each, depending on, these books actually were like $12 each. But if you can get nice books at Dollar Tree sometimes, or at your library sales, or at thrift stores. So if you're going to sell these, I would suggest doing that, because, you're not going to make your money back if you sell this for $12, obviously. But this is a gift for my daughter, and I know she wanted to read that book, and I wanted to try this out as a gift for her. And yeah, so I just wanted to come on quick and share that with you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm new to this, obviously, but I thought it came out pretty good for my first try. I actually am going to stamp the back with like my strawberry cream stamp here, just to show her that I made it. I did do that with my sisters. So anyway, that's it for today. Just wanted to come on quick. We're having our deck being built today, so really exciting. And so I'm trying to stay in and out of their way and crafting, and got to go play with Millie now. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.